Recently, Mike Wallace, famed, incredible journalist, one of the best, and we'll probably never see the likes of him again. He passed away, and he had such an incredible career as a journalist, just had such integrity, and it was fierce and never gave up, and just really was an idol to so many of us in this business. And for me, he was extra special because I met him when I was this green, naive reporter in Ukiah, California, just one horse town. And I was just starting my career, and I was frustrated, and I was scared, and I really didn't know if I was going to make it, and I had so many doubts. And 60 Minutes came into town to Ukiah to do a story, which was phenomenal in itself because, who would have thought that 60 Minutes would come to Ukiah? So I was told by one of the producers that Mike was going to be taking a break, and I was like, oh my God, I got to meet him. But I was so nervous. But I got up the courage, saw him walking, and so I went over to him and I introduced myself to him and started telling him what I did. I told him that I was a one-man band, that I was my own cameraman, my driver, editor, and I had to put tapes on a Greyhound bus to get to the station. And he just looked at me and just smiled and said, May, you are doing it the right way. You are starting from the bottom and you are working your way up. You are going to make it. He said, I see so many young people coming to New York thinking that they're all of a sudden going to be an anchor and without any of the work. But you're putting in the work. You're going through exactly what you need to be going through to make it. And you're going to make it. You're going to be big. That's what he said to me. Those words of encouragement were amazing to me. And that's when I realized, when I was thinking back on this story, I realized, wow, even back then, I didn't even know it, but I was living the Mei Lee way. I was already going through the process of the Mei Lee way. I had picked what I wanted to do. I wanted to be a journalist. I was willing to go through the pain and suffering. And believe me, there was a lot of pain and suffering. I was willing to face my fears because I was scared to death. Scared to death. And then I was willing to endure with that gaman spirit. I was willing to stick it out because I believed that on the other side, there were going to be good things. That this was meant to be and this is what I wanted to do and I was going to succeed. And sure enough, that's exactly what happened. I went through the Mei Lee way back then and I still go through the Mei Lee way now. Thank you, Mike Wallace, for those words of encouragement because that so helped me get through. So helped me know that this was meant to be and this was what I wanted to do. And look at me now. Now I'm teaching you the Mei Lee way so you can succeed too and you can find fulfillment if you go through those steps. I guarantee it. It will happen for you. Things are always going to be better if you push yourself and you endure. There's always going to be a positive outcome.